The Dearborn Heights City Libraries present 5 to 10 crafting series with Eileen and Venus. I'm Eileen.
And I'm Venus. Crafts are for elementary children, but all ages are welcome.
Each month we will be doing a craft video.
Crafts will be available for a limited time for pickup at Dearborn Heights City Libraries and, when possible,
as a download on our website.
Now, let's get crafting.
This month's craft is Mouse Finger Puppet. Happy birthday, Beverly Cleary, whose birthday is April 12th. This craft is a nod to her book, The Mouse and the Motorcycle. Supplies. If you have the kit, you should have 2 half circles, 4 small pom-poms, 4 googly eyes, and 2 pipe cleaners. If you're doing this from home, you could use any type of paper. Find a approximately 3-inch round object to trace, and whatever items you want to decorate your project. And then the rest of the stuff you need is pencil, tape, glue, and scissors. Directions. From home, draw or trace a circle on your paper. Circles should be about 3 inches round. Cut out the circle. Cut a line to the center of the circle. From the kit, use one of the half circles. Form a cone and glue the ends together with one of the circles or the half circle. Then glue on the eyes. Now glue on the pom-pom for ears. Cut a pipe cleaner in half or use one of the ones from the kit. Then tape it to the inside of the cone. Now curl the pipe cleaner so it will hook onto a finger. You are done.
For today's project, I'm using materials I found at home, and we're going to do a little mouse puppet, little finger mouse puppet. I have some paper, construction paper. I do have some pipe cleaners. I have my scissors and glue. I also have some white paper, and I even have a couple black buttons that I can use for eyes. If you don't have the black buttons, you could actually cut out little circles for eyes for our mouse and color the dot in the middle black.
These are the supplies that I am using. A glue stick, scissors, and from the monthly kit, pipe cleaner, pom-poms, Google eyes, half circle, and the direction sheet.
To do that is find a glass or a cup, and you can lay it on the paper and trace around it with a crayon or a pencil. Once I have my circle cut out, I'm going to fold it in half and give it a little crease. And I'm going to cut along that crease. So I have 2 halves.
Cut the half circle out. Fold into a cone. Secure cone by gluing one edge over the other. It's always a good idea to make sure things are secure. As you see, I had to add extra glue to be extra sure it stayed put.
There. Once I figured out where I'm going to do that, before I glue it, I'm going to take my pipe cleaner. I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to wind it around my finger just like that. And I'm going to tape that. And I have a nice piece of tape. If you glue it, you're going to have to wait till the glue dries. So we're going to tape that just like that. Now we can put the glue on and glue the two halves together. Just like that.
With tape, and I'm using a little glue, carefully secure the tail inside the cone at the edge. I should have done this before securing the cone shape, because as you can see, this way is a little more difficult to do, especially the tape.
Now that I have this, I'm going to take my buttons and I'm going to glue one here and the other one over here. So my mouse has two eyes. For ears, since I don't have, you can use a cotton ball. You can put that on there. But I don't have the cotton ball, so I'm going to color my paper black. And I'm going to cut a circle, then another circle. You can do this with pink paper as well. So I'm going to bend about a third over and get my glue. And there's the first ear. And do the same thing with this one. Bend that over, just a little bit on the bottom. And glue another ear. Now, my mouse has two ears.
Now, glue an ear or both ears, and now the eyes, or you can switch onto the cone that you made. Make sure you use enough glue for everything to stick properly. As you see, I'm having difficulty getting everything glued. Finally enough. What do you think?
Now I'm going to put my finger through all those curls I made. And I have my little finger mouse.
Enjoyed what you saw here? Subscribe to the Dearborn Heights Library channel on YouTube and be notified when there's a new episode.
Did you know that with your Dearborn Heights Library card, you can borrow ebooks, e-audiobooks, stream thousands of hours of music, and even movies? You can download apps for your devices or visit our website on a computer.
Last blurb, we promise. Stay connected with us at dhcl.mishlibrary.org and on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.
Thanks for tuning in.